For the walkthrough of November 2020 IGCSE Paper 1 question 21. Hopefully you've had a go at a question and you're looking at this to figure out where you've made a mistake, the working hasn't helped you. Right, so I'm going to do a question, then you're going to do a similar one, and then there is the worksheet to follow on the website. Right, so there we have. Express this in its simplest form. So looking at that immediately, I can see that it's going to factorise in bits. Bring this up. Right, so I've got 1 over 3x minus 2, I'll leave that as it is, times by, that is difference 2 squares, 3x minus 2, well, I can see that's going to cancel, 3x plus 2. I'll leave that over here, I'm not going to worry about that just yet. Factorising the bottom, the factorise at bottom's to 3x plus 2, x minus 5. So the key thing is to remember to factorise. Now what cancels? Well, that cancels with that. That cancels with that. So you're left with 1 over x minus 5. Subtract 7 over x minus 1. Which becomes x minus 5. X minus 1 over x minus 1. Subtract 7 lots of x minus 5. Which is x minus 1, subtract 7x plus 35 over x minus 5, x minus 1, which gives me minus 6x plus 34 over x minus 5, x minus 1. I prefer to write that like that. So the key things are your negative signs of that if you made a mistake and checking things through. Now let's go to a similar question for you to do and think of the stages bit by bit. So looking at that, what was the first thing I did in mine? Well, when the first thing I did in mine was, yes, factorise. So everyone have a go at factorising it and writing it out. So what do we get? We get 1 over 2x minus 1 times by 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. We should be getting used to seeing these if we're doing a lot of practice. The bottom one, how does that factorise? That factorise to 2x minus 1. And this is looking strange, but I'll go with it. And x minus 3. And we are subtracting 5 lots of x minus 3. So what did I do next? I cancelled. Only one cancellation. So I've got 1 over 2x minus 1 times by 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. Take 5 lots of x minus 3. Let's make this bigger so you can see the full sheet. Let's rewrite that as 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 1, x minus 3. Subtract 5 over x minus 3. Well, it needs to be common. So subtract. Minus 3. Subtract 5 lots of 2x minus 1 over x minus 3. 2x minus 1. So that will all become over 2x minus 1, x minus 3. What am I going to do next? Sorry, I started doing the maths and not letting me through. Expand. Done that. What am I going to do now? Is there any common factors? Can I factorise it? No. I will, though, just write it that way. So have a go. Well done. Thank you for working. Thank you for... Now go and do the two similar questions on